Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another LEGO video, and today we're going to be finishing up the Off-Brand LEGO fire truck. So let's get started. So what we finished off was we made the little cab. This is pretty cool. So yeah. Next up, we're going to be making the ladder truck. This one's going to be a lot longer because there's more parts. We also have more small parts. So yeah, we can add that up here. So let me just go ahead and do that. Okay. Now let's tear open these other bags. So first we're just gonna unpackage all of these since they're all numbered bags. Since they're all the same numbered bag. I'm just gonna put the cab to the side. About 3 minutes and I haven't gotten started. I'm just opening the bags. Okay. Next up, we're going to take this 6x10 plate, and then we're going to put it on this 2x12 plate. We're going to set it down. Ow. Like that. And then you're going to take... Then you're also going to take a 2x8 plate. You're actually going to put the 2x8 plates right there, and then put the 2x12 like that. So yeah. Okay. Next we're gonna need a 2x6 plates, 2 2x2 plates, and then a 2x2 plate in the middle. So it'll be like that. And then you're going to take 4 2x2 plates with pins, like that. And place them in the remaining areas. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Next, you're gonna take this 4x4 plate with a 2x2 hole in it. Place it here. Ow. That. And then 2 1x4 tiles in red. Right beside it. And then I'm going to take 2 2x3 plates in white. And another 2x12 plate. Oh, hold on. I did it wrong. So yeah, there we go. So it looks like that. And then I'm going to take 4. Oh. What the heck? This is a double-sided 1x2 plate. Interesting. Next, you're going to take 4 1x2 plates. Place them on top of the 2x2 plates in the remaining areas like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 1x2 bricks. Place them in the back. And then 2 1x2 white plates. Right next to the 1x2 bricks. It's like that. And then you're going to take a 2x6 plate and then place a 2x4 right below it in the middle. Then you're going to put it right there. And then you're going to take a 2x4 tile, a 1x4 plate, and a 1x4 tile. Place them right on top of the 4x4 plate. Then you're going to take a 1x2 black brick. I'm going to place it in between the two red 1x2 bricks in the back. Okay. Okay, hold on a minute. Then you're going to take a 2x6 plate, you're going to place it on the, and then, where am I going to place it? Oh yeah, you're going to place it on the other 2x6 plate. And then you're going to take 4 of the 2x2 wheel holder things, whatever they're called, I keep forgetting. I actually forgot a while ago. And I just stopped playing with Lego after a while. And then you're going to take 7 2x2 45-degree inverted slopes. And you're going to take 3 of them, place them in the front, in the very front of the trailer. Ow. So like that. And you're going to put the remaining 4 by the wheel cover things. Wheel holder, whatever. And there you go. There's that done. And then you're going to need 2 1x2 bricks. And then 2 1x1 bricks. So we got the 1x1 bricks there, the 1x2s. So yeah. Next we're gonna take 2 more. Next we're gonna take 2 of the 1x2 bricks with 1x2 bricks with knobs. Hold on, let me find the other one. There's 2 of them somewhere. There's another one somewhere. Oh, found it. Okay. Like that. And place them on the back. Right on top of the 1x2 bricks. And then take a 1x2 plate and a 1x2 ladder, 1x2 by 2x2 ladder plate. Like that. And then place it on the back. And then on the 1x2 bricks with 2 knobs. You're gonna take 4, for some reason, 1x1 round transparent yellow tiles. For some reason, it's all yellow and the black, which makes absolutely no sense. These aren't pushed down all the way, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm going to take 2 of the 2x12 plates, and then I'm going to put 2 1x12 plates. So you're going to put a 1x12 plate on the left side of the 2x12 and 1 on the right side of the 2x12. And then you're going to put okay, there. And then you're also going to take 2 1x1x2 column bricks. Here's just set them right by where the plates were, or the plates were placed. And then you're going to take a 1x4 brick, 2 1x2 bricks, and 3 2x2 bricks. 2x2 inverted 45-degree slope bricks. Okay, and then you're going to take a 1x6 plate and a 4x6 plate, and then you're going to place some right over there. One minute. Something. And then you're going to take a 2x6 plate, place it right there. And then you're going to take this 1x4 plate with a ball, and you're going to put it right there. And then you're gonna take a 6x10 red plate. And then you take another 4x6 plates. Yeah, right here. And then you're gonna take this 3x6x1 plates, angled plates. Ooh, wait, I have a better idea, actually. I don't know if I can do this. No, I don't think so. Okay, never mind. And then you're gonna take two 1x2 gray tiles, like that. And then two 1x1 transparent yellow round tiles. And then you're going to take a 1x1 plate, a horizontal clip, and then a 1x1 plate with a vertical clip. Place them right there. And then you're going to take four 1x6 tiles. Actually, five. Make that five 1x6 tiles. And then we'll take a 1x4 tile. Place it right there. Like that. And then you're gonna take a 2x2 round, a 2x2 plate, a 2x2 rotator plate. And then take the 2x2 round rotator plate and put it in the plate, just like that. And then take a 1x2 grill, place it right there, so it looks like that. Next, you're going to take a 1x4 Technic brick, and then you're going to take this, whatever this is, and put it in the, stick it in the Technic brick. Bruh, what the frick? I can't even get this thing in. It's hard. still work? Oh man. And then I'm gonna take this roll and put it in there. I actually have one of these pieces, yeah. And then you're gonna take some rope and you're gonna rope it around. You're gonna rope it through the hole. Might be a little bit of fiddling. I'm trying to tie a knot. Boom sauce. I got one. I got a knot in it. It doesn't roll as smooth as the Lego one, but it's whatever. Bro, this thing is so long, actually. I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty long. Alright, let me make a knot on the other. Actually, no, I shouldn't do that yet. God. It's taking forever. It's hardly even turning now. It still is. What happened here? Okay, good. Oh my god. Ah, dang it, I did it again. I wish I could know how to, like, skip through parts. But I don't know how to do that, like, cut some parts out. But I don't know how to do that, so, yeah. It went through the other end. Good. Now let's make a knot. Oh no, can it go back in? Oh man. Just barely. I'm just gonna have to pull it through. But then, oh man, I don't untie the knot. No, that's gonna be possible unless. There's no way I can untie this knot. Yeah, it's like impossible. Okay. Pull it through. I'm gonna do a double knot. I don't have much to work with here, but we're gonna give it our best shot. Oh my god. This is probably one of the most tedious things I've ever done in my life. I'll put a knot with a knot on it. Okay, well I made the double knot, but the line is still long. So we're just gonna have to deal with it. I'm just gonna be taking this now. Thank you very much. Okay, I got it. Yay. Finally got it. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Sorry about the wait. I was just rolling back this thing right here. It is so long. It took like 8 minutes. That was like 8 minutes long just doing that. Anyways, now we can actually go back to what we were doing. You're also going to take this light gray axe and you're going to put it on the other clip. And then I also put the hose on the other side. I had to put a piece inside and shove it down just so that it wouldn't be sticking out. Okay, I got a 4x. Okay, so now you're gonna need 4 of these. Of these 2x3 slopes. Of these 2x3 30-degree slope bricks. I need 4 of them, and I need to find 1 more. And then you're going to take a 4x6 plate and put it on top. Like that. So we got the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the plate. Okay, there we go. I got it back. Alright, so now we're going to need a... So now you're going to take 2 1x4 tiles. Place them on the ends. And then you're going to take a 2x4 plate. And then you're going to need 2 of these 1x4 plates. So like that. And then you're going to take this 1x4 plates. And then put this 3x4 tile on it. This print. Of course, it's not Lego, so you can just put this kind of plate on it with like the studs in the middle, and that'll be fine. So yeah, these do exist in Lego, except they have 4 studs in the middle. Oh, come on. Okay, good. I'm gonna need to make 2 of these, so I'm gonna make the other one. These feel like stickers, but I don't know, maybe they are stickers. Okay, good, I got one. And then I'm gonna take this 4x4 tile. Of course, these don't exist in Lego. You can just use 2x4s. Tiles, and then, so yeah. Okay. Next, you're gonna take 2 4x12 plates. And then you're gonna take 12 of these 1x4 panel pieces with these like textured parts here, and then you're gonna stick them all along there. Show you how I did it in just a minute. So get them all on. Okay, so it goes like that. So you got 2 studs in the middle, right at the end, what's left. And then you're gonna take this 2x2 jumper plates, put it right there, and then you're gonna take 2 1x2 45-degree slope bricks and white. And then you're gonna take 2 of these 2x2 plates with like a Technic pinhole, and you're gonna put them in the 2 remaining spots in the back. That's hanging with the plates hanging off. And then just to like that, and then we're gonna take a 2x2 dish glider plate just to hold them in like that. So yeah, you're gonna flip it over, and then right here at the front, about 2 studs away from the end of this plate, you're gonna take 4 of these 1x2 plates with studs on both sides. Yes, on the top and the bottom. There are apparently 4 of these. I could actually probably use these. So yeah, and like other builds. So yeah, just like that. Okay. Next, you're gonna take 2 of these. I'm gonna take 2 of these plates that have these 3x6 angled plates, and then you're gonna put a 4x4 plate in between them. And then you're gonna take a 2x4 brick, like that, and then 2 1x4 Technic bricks. And then you're gonna put a 2x4 plate and a 2x4 tile. And then you're gonna take 2 of these 1x2 bricks with this like pin with like a Technic pin sticking out, and you're gonna top that off with a 2x2 tile. And then in the Technic bricks, you're gonna take 4 of these half Technic pins, like that. It's just like that. Set them in like that. Okay. And then these pieces don't exist, so I'm just not gonna say these, but take some of these pieces, which you could probably just get those push bar pieces that normally Lego gives out, so you can use those instead of these. And then put these like rings on top, just to like hold them in. Here we go. So, I'm gonna put these with the Technic pinned bricks. Technic pinned 1x2 bricks. Just like that. And then you're gonna take 2 of these cross axles. And then you're gonna put them in the tubes. I guess you'd call them tubes now. Oh, they're actually loose in them. And then you're gonna take these Technic pieces, stick them on the ends. And then you're going to take a 2x4 plate 1x2 tile, and then to take two. Two 1x2 plates with these nubs on the end, and then like that. And then you're gonna attach these, and then you're gonna need to actually have this upside down. I just realized that. Bro, my thumbs hurt so bad. And then, so then you're gonna connect it like that. So it's like that. But it's not yet stable. Now you're gonna need to take these two pieces. As well as these. What did I drop? That's okay, we have an extra one. Okay, there's our ladder. And then we can just sit on it like that. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put on the wheels. Let me do that right now. I'm sorry if I haven't been showing you all of what I've been doing. I should have been pointing it like that, so that I can actually see what I'm doing. I have a 1x4 tile left over, and I don't know where to put it. Let me look at it. Whatever. Okay. There's the front. And just hook them up, and yeah, there we go. There is our completed fire ladder truck. Ah, dang it. Oh, I got it. I'll try to make it look like the photo. Okay, there we go. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!